siya kay for school purposes na siya din kay sa Philippine Politics and Government na subject. Mga po lang performance na karon.
So good morning everyone. We are here together with the students of the GQH Patigayo National High School, the senior high. Dayan, Tumarong, and Sanawiya. Okay, so good to be at one of your target to interview about the Seal of Good Local Governance, and then most especially to implement the barangay justice system in every barangay. So it is my privilege to interview to both of you, the student of the GQH Patigayo National High School. So it is my honor to be with you and to be one of a subject to interview implementing the barangay justice system, most especially the implementation of the Seal of Good Local Governance of this barangay Karumat.
We're honorable that you all get interview. And question number 1 is, what are the ways or sitting disputes in your locality?
Okay, so that is a very nice question. What are ways in settling dispute in this locality, most especially in this barangay? So the ways, the most important ways is for the dispute, settling dispute of this barangay Karumatan. The alternative dispute resolution, as we call, is the negotiation, the mediation, reconciliation, and then arbitration. That is one of the most ways, in order to have the alternative dispute resolution in every barangay, most especially in this barangay Karumat.
Diba dinami ka na mga issues, example, especially in drugs, so may ways sa barangay nga gibuhat, especially.
So, we're talking about the drugs, so that is not the under of the dispute or to resolve the katarungan ng barangay law, barangay justice system. That is not under the cases of the katarungan ng barangay law. That is going to automatic to the court, and then the barangay justice system is not jurisdictions to resolve the drugs dispute or the drugs problem in the barangay. That is under the supervision of the punong barangay on how he or she resolve the problem all about the drugs, the anti-drugs, the activities of the anti-drugs in every locality, most especially in municipality of Pulang-Bugay.
Then, sa question number 2, can provide a scenario or a case then how kanang gusto siya pag-solve.
Okay, so that is a good question, Gang. So the scenario we will provide, like for example, the oral defamation. So oral defamation, that is under the Katarungan Pambarangay Law. So it was catered by the Katarungan Pambarangay Law. So if, for example, if si Juana gilibak, gidaot ni Marites, and then tapos si Juana, mga complainant, nag-file siya dito sa office, sa Lupong Tagapamayapa office, in front of the Lupong Tagapamayapa chairman, that is the punong barangay. So actually si punong barangay kayo ang mo-entertain sa complaint ni Juana as a case of the oral defamation. And after that, it will, after the investigation of the Lupong Tagapamayapa chairman, or as we call the punong barangay, so the barangay secretary, the chairman, Lupong chairman will instruct to the Lupong secretary, that is the barangay secretary, to draft the summon, and then ipa-receive, to receive to the respondent, and that is si Marites. Then after that, 3 days, after 3 days, dito na dayon ang settlement na mahitabo, that is called the mediation process. So after that, the punong barangay or the Lupon chairman, that time, both parties, the respondent and the complainant, si Juana o si Marites, nagtagbo na sa opisina dito ni Lupon chairman, and then that's the time they will be having a deliberation between the statement of the complainant, and of course, we will also give time, of course, to the respondent to reply the statement of the complainant. And after that is, if there is something wrong, no, then the Lupon chairman will initiate the negotiation. That is not called the kumbaga adunay panag-hiusa nila, no, ang dili na siya mo adto dito sa korte. So much better that all of the dispute nga katong kang Juana nga iyang i-complain si Marites is mahusay gayud dinhi sa barangay. And after that, pag mahusay na siya, adun yung mga alternative ways nga mahusay siya under the innovative or innovations of the Lupon chairman and with the Lupon tagapamayapa of the barangay, and that's the time there will be having a draft of the amicable settlement nga pag-permahan with the signatory of the complainant and the respondent. And after that, pagkahuman, so adunay panag-uli, I think naa siya shake hands, kumbaga nga mahitabo. And after that, adunay innovations nga ibutan si barangay for them to remember that the dispute, it was already resolved. There will be having a resolution, and then mag-uli sila hangtod sa ilahang kabubuto nila. So that would be the kumbaga isa sa scenario nga mahitabo sa atong barangay in a case of oral defamation. There is a lot of dispute or cases nga under katarungan pambarangay law, but there is also a cases that is under not under the katarungan pambarangay law or the barangay justice system of this barangay. Yes, mo na nga if ever, like for example, the land conflict is not the jurisdiction of the to have the amicable settlement of the barangay. So it should be endorsed, no, to the agencies which is affiliated to the agencies ko. Like for example, land conflict, pwede na to na siya, i-endorse na to dito sa Darbakaha or whatever, or Hadapita na to nga endorse siya, nga fitted siya nga problema nga to sa ahensya. But of course, kung land conflict atong paghahisgutan, pwede, no, ang barangay, the venue of the office of the barangay nga ilang pagabuhaton both parties, no, sila ra ang magistoryahanay. If ever kung dili sila magkauyon, no, magkakuan sila, so and that's the time nga muadto sila, no, i-endorse ni punong barangay ngadto sa agency which is related to the problem, which is kumbaga lodged by the office of the Lupon Tagapapayapa, which that case is not under jurisdictions of the Lupon Tagapapayapa. Yes.
The last question, how successful are the ways of settling disputes in your locality?
So it was very successful. It was proven and tested, no? Most especially in my administration, the Hili administration of this barangay Karumatan. So the first was proved that this barangay is the awardee outstanding Lupong Tagapamayapa in municipal level in 26 barangay. We are the winner, Barangay Karumatan. And of course in the province of Lano del Norte, so we are also the winner, the outstanding Lupong Tagapamayapa. And we are also awarded by the regional Region 10 regional level as the outstanding Lupong Tagapamayapa. So by that achievements, it was proven and tested, and it was so and here by the people of Barangay Karumatan, not just only the Barangay Karumatan, but of course in the entire province of Lano del Norte, how the Barangay Karumatan advocate and strengthen the public information implementation of the Katarungan Pambarangay Law. And that is the ways of the most important ways is the what we call the conciliation, mediation, and arbitration. So that ways it was very successful implemented, and it was also benefited by the Barangay Karumatan. Not just only the Barangay Karumatan, but I also advocate to the other barangay in the municipality of Kulambugan. So the successful ways of the settling dispute of the locality, most especially in this barangay, it was very proven and tested.
As usapon nga gapuyo sa barangay Karumatan, mapaadyo ko nga dili ko to possible tanan ang mga achievements nga nakuha sa barangay Karumatan tungod nimo ug sa imong mga opisyales. Dili siya imposible.
Yes, so it is very impossible if you have a strong dedication of your responsibility, your works, and your role as a head of the barangay. And of course, together with the strong support of my council, and most especially to the members of the Lupon Tagapamayapa. So they are also one of my galamay, no? One of my galamay to have the peaceful and orderly of this barangay Karumatan. So it was really proven and tested. I think one of the constituents of this barangay Karumatan, you witnessed all of the successful events, most especially implementing the barangay justice system in barangay Karumatan.
Thank you, Kaya.
So I should be thankful to the JGH Patigayon National High School for the interview all about the barangay justice system. It is my privilege once again and honor to be with you, and this is my last interview in my administration, the last month as a punong barangay, and of course as a Ilocon chairman of this barangay Karumatan. I'm hoping that this event and these activities will give education to the other barangay, and of course to the other student which have an interest, of course, to be a public servant of the barangay. So these activities will give big benefits to them, most especially the education and information campaign, and it's all about the implementation of the barangay justice system. You are too young of this topic, and then I was amazed of all those questions that you asked to me, and then I know that this activity will give more enhance to the development of the emotions, intellectual, and then knowledge on how the other barangays handling the amicable settlement of in every respective area of the barangay, which they are also implemented. Most especially, it's because the barangay justice system is a part of the self-good local governance of the barangay. And this barangay, to be known, is the passer of the self-good local governance this year. So I should be thankful for that. To the support of the Karumatans, to my subordinate workers, and of course, kamu no, ng mga young generations, the young future leaders, not just only inside of the school premises, but also outside of the school premises, most especially to your place as you nag-residente mo, and then makahatag mo dako kahibalo sa inyong silingan, sa inyong barangay. Ang muna ang pagamuhato, and this is the ways, this is the other options and innovations. Why is it that the barangay has a peaceful and normal situation place? Most especially, we're talking to the dispute resolution. Thank you, and of course, God bless us all, and keep regards to the JGH Patigayon National High School. Mayang adna pa natin.
Pero,
yes.
Thank you kayo din. Me, thank you sa nangyayap. Kaya it was an honor, Jen.
Yes.
Ikaw, ang among na-interview, an
Thank you,
awardee
yes,
with all
thank you,
the
thank you.
awards and everything.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. It is my privilege also, and it will not be, as what like you said, that it will not be forgotten. It is only immaterial things, the plaque, the recognitions, the awards, but of course, the most important is you are authenticated to the bottom of the heart of the people of your constituents, which you are served as dedicated and wholehearted with the guidance of our mighty God. It is my last, kumbaga. Thank you and God bless. Salamat kayo sa inyong pag-interview sa ako. This is for the last time na makita ko ninyo sa punong barangay at this barangay.
Nasa ba, Jun? Sure na.
Yes, sa kamalaking questions. Kaya ako tumagon.
Kasi
Kasi
pwede ko
naapang
kumabalik
mo.
na eh. Oh, Jun. Diba?
Isa pang na.
Okay,
Isa
diba?
pang na.
Amidst of all the judgment nga.
Yes.
Still here, standing.
So, in amidst of all the judgment, of all the nonsense issues, kumbaga, I'm still here, standing in front of you, to give and of course to, kumbaga, ihatag yapon ako ang to share my knowledge and skills and talents. It's because dili man ko, I am not a selfish person. So I am willing to elaborate and willing to give all of my knowledge and my skills and talents and to share not just here in Barangay Karumatan but of course to the entire municipality of Kulambugan. And of course, the municipality of Kulambugan, the people of Kulambugan knows everything about me. So that's why I am very thankful that people of Karumatan give me an opportunity to be as a leader, to be as a punong barangay, and of course, to be a competitive leader, not just in the municipality of Kulambugan, province of Lanao del Norte, but of course in the entire whole Region 10, regional level. That is a first time historical event in the Barangay Karumatan, especially in the municipality of Kulambugan.
Thank you, Jun. Kaya naaman ako ato, diba din?
Yes.
Nagawa akong papel sa
Oo,
Barangay
oo, oo.
Emergency.
Then tapos po, at your service, inyong Kuya Cup, inyong Daddy Cup ninyo sa Barangay Karumatan was awarded an awardee of the Bayanica Award in the province of Lanao del Norte to represented in Region 10. So I am the only one who is awarded the Bayanica Award last October 13 and October 16 outstanding Batontan. Congrats din, congrats to us. Congrats to us, congrats Kulambugan, congrats Karumatan, and congrats Lanao del Norte that I am bringing the name of province of Lanao del Norte, municipality of Kulambugan. Most especially, I am bringing also the name of Karumatan to the regional level. And it was solved by the people of the Kulambugan and the province of Lanao del Norte that Barangay Karumatan is a competitive barangay when we are talking to the implementation of the Seal of Good Local Governance in my administration, the Hilly administrations from 2018 till 2022.
Then, di ba di anak ka, dili ka siya selfish.
Yes.
Maupunok mo na ko, dili yun sa dali kay, di ba na, sa na yung mga events sa itong
Yes,
barangay, kay
yes.
ikaw yung murubing jud ka,
Yes,
bay jud ka,
yes.
kay, ano, bito kay, kung mo na, ragmadunggan ko na ko,
Mm-mm.
ang sa dahil barangay ng kapitan, dili bitaw mo yun, anak nga, sakripisyo ang ilang free
Mm,
time,
yes, yes,
yun,
yes.
anak nga, iba ko alam, kaya na to sa iski, sila na
Mm-mm.
bahala. Kung ikaw mismo, yun, anak, atong time nga, pandemic, kung may curfew, ikaw magsuri-suri ka, i-check mo ikaw na isa,
Yes.
ano dito.
So, by that situation, gang, is you are a leader. So you need to be a top of your subordinate. And you need first to, kumbaga, ikaw una ang trabaho. You need first to work. And that's the time that all of your subordinate will follow. So, muna ang, in respect to the other leaders in every barangay, we do not know, of course, their strategy. But for me, that is my responsibility. What inside the responsibility of the punong barangay, because you are handling the entire place, no? The whole barangay Karumatan, and that is your accountability, the safety, tanan, the security, most especially in the big events of the barangay. So that's why makita jud ko ninyo no actual yun ditong maglantaw tama sa kumakaya na in order to have a peaceful and orderly nga mahuman ang activity, most especially time sa pandemic, no? Gipaunayan gid nako ang perform. It's because I want to make safe. I want that the people of Barangay Karumatan is kumbaga safety sila. It's not a matter that I am not safe at that time. At sa kuha is gusto na ko, I want that the constituents of Barangay Karumatan during the pandemic, it should be safe. Paala na ako dili safety, mas especially kamo, kay kamo akong gibantayan o kamo akong gialagaran tama sa akong makaya. So that's why I'm not saying that I am not a politician, but I am saying that I am a public servant. It's because public servant you serve equal services to the people which you serve, no, sa imong barangay. Kay I am not kumbaga nagkuha nga interesting the power, interest the position and authority, but I am here in front of you ninyong duha, no, as constituents of the Kulambugan, Kamutanan, constituents of Kulambugan, showing to them that me as a punong barangay, as a leader from 2018 until now 2023, that I am doing my best to functions and to perform all the responsibilities inside as a punong barangay, as a leader of this barangay. Dayon, I am willing to share my knowledge and skills, talent to the other barangay, and it was proven and tested because kumbaga nakigsindurot po nila mga sa ubang mga barangay kung sa akong kahibalo ako po i-share sa inyo.
Curious man dyan ko, patawid ito naging sagot ng hindi mga kayo. Na-part niya pag sa ako, I want to learn from you.
Yes, if you want to learn from me, so as a student, so this is not a time that if you will ask a lot of questions, I will answer for that. It's because I am actual performing the duties and responsibilities as a leader of this barangay Karumatan. So what any questions nga i-questions ako is ako dyan matubag. It's because you saw already that your daddy cup, your kuya cup is actual gayud nga nagtrabaho inside and outside of this office. Dayon our kumbaga agreement and negotiations of Ma'am Imbong, the principal of GBX Patigayo National High School, that I am advocating to have public information inside of the premises of the school, to advocate and to promote the katarungang pambarangay law. Then I do not know if I will continue. It's because my term will last, will signing off by this coming November 30 at 12 noon. So I do not know if ma-proceed pa ba na ako ang advocate. Maybe if I will proceed the advocate to strengthen the public information of the katarungang pambarangay law, so I think that is my personal private or account. I will use my private account of the FB account, and then I think dito na siguro ko will upload all the discussions of the katarungang pambarangay law, and then I think pag mag-upload ko dito, and then or other barangays or Kamubakaha or other schools want to know about the implementation of the katarungang pambarangay, what is inside of the katarungang pambarangay law. So I think you can check my FB account, and then dito ko mag-upload o mga videos that's all about the katarungang pambarangay law, just to continue the implementation and to advocate this to strengthen the public informations about the katarungang pambarangay. Social media is the most power tool in order to have you to share your knowledge, kumbaga sa ibaw ano mo. Pwede kayo na siya. So, pwede na po nga ma-check ninyo akong FB account, and then pwede na po mo magpamilya nito. I think after my signing off this November 30, 12 noon, then if ever kung makalaka ko aning barangaya, and then I'm still advocating the Katarungan Pambarangay through social media and through my account. You can check with my account, Stelton Chowa or Stelton Pips. Saan sa pa?
Naka-learn me of a lot, especially especially kasi siya kay
yes, the newly elected Iski Kagawad, no, of Barangay Lumba. So all I can say, advice to you is to perform your duties and responsibilities as an Iski Kagawad, and then what any plans, projects, and proposals of the barangay. So as part of the council, as part of the public servant of Barangay Lumba, you need to support in order to continue the development and progress of your barangay. So, and then, dedications. You have a dedications wholeheartedly para at least nga ganahan ka muhatag ng serbisyo, most especially sa mga kabataan. And of course, you can also invite me if there is as kumbaga you need a speaker, no, about a leadership, topic of leadership, trainings and seminars of leadership, and then of course the Katarungan Pambarangay, Barangay Justice System implementation. You can invite me. So if I have a free time or if ever kung nakapapasukat sa atong barangay, so pwede ko ma-invite ninyo regarding of all topics na atong nahiskutan, especially the leadership trainings and seminars. Pwede ko makuha ninyo as one of the speaker sa inyo. Manipay ko it's because as makashare ko, and then kumbaga I think that is my calling. A calling to share my knowledge and then my experience as a public servant, as a leader, in order that I can also train the future leaders, the future leaders, aspirations, kumbaga na nakahatag ko nila o kang dako kaayong kumbaga as a big part of their selves, no, nga to be as a good abiding citizen diri sa labi na diri sa to ang munisipyo sa Pulampugan. This is my last interview as punong barangay of this Barangay Karumatan, together with the student of the Diego H. Patigayo National High School, si
Dayan
and
Sanawiya.
Okay, so Dayan and Sanawiya. So I will not forget this interview. It's because before nga mo signing off ko is kamo ang last nga nag-interview sa ko as to be kumbaga as one of kumbaga inyong makuha ng knowledge, no, in order not just only for the requirements of your schools or any requirements for that you will get kumbaga a highest grade or a highest score, but the most important, you are here that you want to learn and you want to get more knowledge as a young future leaders, and then of course you want to share to your classmates, not just to your classmates but to your friends, to your neighbors, or to your kabarangays nga this is it that this is the right, no, the right time that we need to unite to advocate the implementation of the Barangay Justice System. So again, thank you very much kaninyong tanan as punong barangay of this Barangay Karumatan. I should be thankful for that, that you give me a privilege to serve you all in a first term as your punong barangay, and of course as one of the competitive barangay, Barangay Carumatan, and a competitive leader of the municipality of Kulambugan and the province of Lanao del Norte, and of course to the regional level, Region 10. Mabuhay ang Barangay Carumatan, then mabuhay ang Kulambugan, mabuhay ang probinsya sa Lanao del Norte. Of course, mabuhay ang ato ang GGH National Patigayon High School. Padayon mo sa inyong maayong tumong ug tuyo as isip sa mga estudyante o mga future leaders dinhi sa atong municipality sa Kulambugan. May God bless us all and daghan kayong salamat.
Thank you for your dedication.